Right, stick with me on this one. This is going to be a bit of a journey. The word PWYS can mean lots of different things in Welsh. It comes from the Latin pensum. In Welsh, it means like weight or significance or pressure or emphasis. It can mean all of those different things. We can turn it into an adjective by putting ig at the end. So pwysig means something of weight or of significance. It's our way of saying important. So we'd say things like, oh, ma hwnna'n waith pwysig. That's important work. Ma hwnna'n waith pwysig. The word llais means voice. So you'd hear things like, oh, ma llais da gan Megan. Megan's got a good voice. Or in southern dialects, ma llais da da Megan. Megan's got a nice voice. Megan's got a good voice. Like many terms in Welsh, the I sound can often morph into A, depending on where the accent of the word falls. So llais can become lleisiol, which means vocal. Lleisydd can be a vocalist. Lleisio can mean to voice something. So there's a verb there. If we add pwys and llais together, we get pwyslais, which actually translates literally as a significant voice, but it's our word for an emphasis. Pwysleisio is to voice with importance. It's our verb to emphasise. Do we ddim angen pwysleisio hwnna? I don't need to emphasise that. Do we ddim angen pwysleisio hwnna? The word PLAID on its own can refer to a political party. So you'll hear it in a PLWYS, the Green Party, Plaid Cymru, as you probably heard, Plaid Lafur, the Labour Party, stuff like that. It can be found in the phrase o blaid, which suggests sort of to be in support of something. So you'd hear, mae Owen o blaid y mesur. Owen is in favour of the measure, in support of the measure. Mae Owen o blaid y mesur. It's in our anthem, and it's heard in the chorus as pleidiol o'i fi'n gwlad. So the pleidiol there suggests sort of favourable or supportive. So pleidiol oif, supportive I am, I'm glad to my country. I'm favourable to my country. Do you see in pleidiol there how the I became A from plaid to pleidiol? So there it is again for you. Finally, there is a word that encompasses both plaid and llais, so to be supportive of, and llais being a voice. And it would probably suggest something like a supportive voice or a favourable voice, right? Well, pleidleisio means to vote, and pleidlais is a vote. Makes sense, right? Okay, I'm definitely sure you've heard enough of my llais for now. Hwyl fawr.